Welcome back. Market retaining bulk of its gains, a little bit of a shave off from the top on the Nifty. Now it's time to talk commodities. Let's see what's latest. We have Manisha joining in with all the details. Manisha.
Thank you for that, Surbi. Well, I have metals on my radar, and almost all of them are trading in the negative for 2024. December was a great month. I mean, we even saw all-time highs in gold and multi-year highs for many of those metals. But that's not how we've started 2024 with. One, it definitely is profit-taking with the kind of gains that you saw in the month of December. So as of now, we're trading at a 1-month lows for copper, 2-month lows for steel rebar, and a 3-week lows for the Singapore iron ore prices as well. It has to do with the weak China data. The PMI numbers came in that came in the previous week were on the weaker side. The markets are anticipating a lower growth going forward in the first half of 2024. And there is lack of a fresh stimulus or a consistent stimulus coming in from China. And that continues to weigh onto the markets. Apart from that, it also has to do with the inventories, which seem to be piling up on LME and Shanghai as well. Winters is anyways not a strong seasonal demand period. And that's yet another reason to watch. The strength in US dollar, which is trading at around 3-week highs, and this is ahead of the US inflation data that comes in today, is also keeping the markets jittery. The inflation data is something that we will watch out tomorrow as well from China. They have the CPI, PPI, and the trade data coming in on Friday. So Chinese data tomorrow would take over all the other asset classes as well. I want to bring in a chart on that tells you on how we are looking at the markets there. Well, that's another thing. World Bank has warned of global growth slowdown for a third straight year in 2024, and that's continued to weigh on as well. So when you look at the nickel prices, we're trading at a 1-month lows onto this one, and we have seen a decline of 4% in 2024 until now. If you look at zinc, we're down by 4%. Aluminum is down by 7% as well. And all of these metals have seen a double-digit decline in the previous year as well, even after December saw such good gains. Copper prices did gain 2.5% in the previous year, but they've actually given up all of those gains in the first 10 days of January itself. Gold is down by 1.5%, silver is down 3.5%. So when you're looking at precious metals, base metals, ferrous metals, everything is started with a decline in 2024. What the street will now watch out for, though, is the inflation numbers, as I said, that come in from US today. And tomorrow is the China inflation and trade data that would give you further direction.
Right, Manisha, thanks very much for that.